The house of Shirley is here.
Oh, faith
Yeah, owned by a faith healer. When she discovered that she can heal the sick, like tumor, asthma, cancer, she built that cross. 2003.
Where is she?
She's staying in her house. See, that's her house.
Can I go see her?
CR. To Shirley. You want to heal? Do you have some sick? Sometimes Shirley was not there because we asked some of the people coming there. It said Shirley was not there because she's looking for a faith healer also for her. Because she has a sick, she cannot heal her own sick.
Right, that's right.
Yeah, that's the faith healer. They cannot heal their own sick.
Why they can help others after her.
Yeah. Because she absorbed a lot of sick. That's why. So she built that cross. That is 200 steps onward.
That's amazing. I want to go there.
You can do that.
How?
Just, you can rent a bike with your own.
Okay, then I said I'd like to.
Yeah. Just rent a bike there. City Proctor.